Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with LendingTree credit comparison alerts, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the LendingTree website. Locate the credit comparison alerts section on the homepage. Click on the sign up or get started button. Enter your email address in the provided field. Create a strong password for your account. Fill out any required personal information, such as your name and phone number. Review the terms and conditions. Check the box indicating you agree to the terms. Select your preferred notification settings for alerts. Click on the Submit button to confirm your registration. Review the confirmation email sent to your inbox. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Follow any additional prompts to complete your profile. Log in to your LendingTree account. Navigate to the Credit Comparison Alerts dashboard. Customize your preferences based on your credit goals. Save your preferences to activate alert notifications. You're now ready to receive personalized credit comparisons. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.